Hope that everybody's had a good day. We've had some really big wood here and been trying for 2 weeks to get my chainsaw going, and we just can't get anywhere. So finally, I got frustrated today and I got one cut. You know, one of these ginormous ones cut versus none cut. And chopped it with that axe right there. That big one there, I'm gonna cut it in two tomorrow. It took me 4 hours to cut this one in two, but by George, we got it. So, one down. I'm gonna cut these one a day. Cut them one a day. And remember this adage. Well, the chainsaw has gave me pure unholy hell. I mean, won't start, we can't get it. And finally, it's got me frustrated. So after 2 weeks of this crap, I'm gonna finally get it cut now. And that axe right there, I can tell you, when it's in your hand and you pick the thing up, it might take a while, but that thing's gonna cut. That thing's gonna cut. And this thing here, laying on the ground, when you put your shoulder behind it, it's gonna cut. And went and got some hand tools and gonna get quite a bit more this cut today. Chop that one in two, and you can look at the size of it here. That one there, about 14, 15 inch diameter I chopped through with an axe. That's how frustrated I really am. Enough to stand there for 4 straight hours and chop that thing in two. This is May the 24th, 2024. Much love, everybody. And we'll cut these one a day in two. We'll cut them one a day.